back to my channel. Hello everybody. Today I am going to be sharing something a little bit different. I am going to be sharing a what's in my bag organization, and I'm switching from one bag to another bag. So I thought this would be the perfect time to share a video with you about let's organize our bags. So the first bag, I got this one. It's a Louis Vuitton inspired. It is not an actual Louis Vuitton. And I got this from Walmart, and it's from the brand 24. And I think it's the, I forget the name of it now, but you know which one I'm talking about. So it's this little number, and actually it is very well made. I very much like it. So if you're looking for a Louis Vuitton look without the Louis Vuitton price tag, I highly recommend this bag, and I will link it below. But I'm going from that bag to this bag, and this one, I had shared it in a haul before. I actually got it at Goodwill, and it's a Daisy Rose, and you can get those from Walmart actually online or from Amazon, but it was brand new, perfect condition, and I paid $8 for it. So again, if you're looking for, but I think if you're looking for, you know, the Louis Vuitton look, but I highly recommend, actually, is what I'm trying to get out to you, is that before you spend the money on a Louis Vuitton, just grab one of these. You know, I would use it for a while. Make sure it's the bag you want, it's the bag you're gonna love before you pay that price tag. It's kind of like test driving a purse. So give it a test drive, see if you like it, and then you can go out and do the splurge. So I'm one who usually likes a bigger bag, and I tried this smaller bag to use for every day, but it just doesn't work for me. I need the bigger bag. So let's dive into my purse and let's switch some things around. So the first thing I'm gonna switch is this cute little purse charm. I like charms on my bags. I don't know if you guys put a charm on your bag, let me know in the comments, but I like to have one on my bag. So we are gonna put this one back on here, and I think I'm gonna put it right here on the front. I'm just gonna stick it kind of right there. And I love that so much. So now let's start organizing our purse and putting everything from the smaller one into the bigger one. And organize so we can clean that bag out. And I don't know about you guys, but even though I have organization and bags, my purse still ends up getting messed up. I don't know what it is. I just shove things in, and I have to be better at that. So it's just one of my things. So first things first, let's reach in and grab. So this little pouch, these came in a set of 3. There's pink, there's blue, and there's green. And anything I bought from Amazon or that I can list below, I will if you guys are interested. But this just holds our checkbook and some stamps. You never know when you're gonna need it, so I do carry it with me. You know, sometimes at work, people sell things like for their kids, like for Girl Scout cookies or butter braids or whatever, and I buy stuff from everybody from their kids. So I always like to have this handy. So that's the first thing I am popping in. Next thing, if I want to be able to function at work or anywhere else, I obviously need my glasses. It's a cute little glasses case. Came with the glasses. So that's a must-have. Next we have, and this is also from the brand 24, from Walmart, and it's a little Louis Vuitton inspired wallet. And I do really like it. You can't really see anything in there, but it's plenty roomy. It has, you know, a little change spot. It has part for if you carry cash, your credit card, your license, all that. And I think I paid, I want to say like $12, $11. But again, before you spend that money, make sure you like it. You like to use it. You like the feel of it. Sometimes I know, like, my girlfriend bought one just like this, and she bought the actual Louis Vuitton, and she ended up not liking it. So I highly recommend just spend a few dollars, try it out, and if you like it, then just go get the real one. Test drive your products. So that will go in my bag also. And this bigger bag, it has like 2 little slots right here. It has like a little zipper compartment right here, and then the bag itself is very open. It doesn't have a zipper, but it has this little link closure if you want to close it. Whereas the smaller bag does have the zipper. So we have that. The next item is, I was using this just to put in some of my cosmetics that I carry with me, only because the other bag is so small, but I don't like it. So I'm gonna take my Vera Bradley one for now. I am looking for a new bag to use, but I'm gonna show you some of the things I carry with me. All right, so I think I had one more thing, yeah. So some of the things I carry is, I carry a little powder with me for little touch-ups, and I carry this with me as well, and this is a brush, and it just fits nice and compact so it doesn't get makeup on anything, and I love this for touch-ups. I have my Charlotte Tilbury shiny gloss, and I have that. I have a little Vaseline, just in case my lips get a little dry. This is my new favorite lip product, and I just love it. And it's it has like a little flower in it, so it really just enhances the color of your lip. It's kind of like a lip blush, I guess you could say, without getting the lip blush. So I have that handy. I have a couple of, just have some lip liners. I have my brow pencil, which I'm getting microbladed tomorrow, so I won't need that anymore. So I'm so excited about that. Got a pair of tweezers, because you never know when you find a little hair somewhere. Don't want that. I always bring a little sharpener, because you never know. And that's all I have. I think I dropped one thing when I was doing that, but maybe I didn't. Yeah, I did. And I have some lip oil, and I love the lip oil. Just gives a nice little shine while also moisturizing your lips. So I have that. And that will go in my bag. Then I have a little Gold Bond hand cream. Never go anywhere without that. I have two little touch-up perfumes. I have one that's called Lucky You and a Clinique Happy, because you always want to smell good. And if you think you need a little touch-up, it's nice to have something with you. I have a couple pens. I always travel with pens, and I have quite a few of them. I don't know why I have so many, but I do. I have a few business cards that I can pass out if I find somebody who I think is interested in my channel. Got that. And then, so funny story, so I have a pick, just in case I need to pick out my hair a little bit, but my grandmother gave me this pick my first day of high school, believe it or not. So it was the end of August 1982 was my last one, and I carry this in my bag wherever I go since 1982. So thank you, Graham, and I still use it every day. Little sentimental right there. And I have another pen. You know what, I'm gonna bring some of these and put them on my desk at work, because I always seem to lose my pens at work. I have my inhaler because I have asthma, so that is a key thing to have. I have a bunch of receipts and shopping lists and wine purchases. Gotta have those, so now's the perfect time to clean that out. I can toss all those receipts. And let's see, what else is in here? I have some more receipts, which I don't need. A receipt for one of my Goodwill receipts. Don't need that anymore. And then I think the last thing I have in there, so this I wanted to talk about a little bit. So this is my EDC kit that goes in my purse, and EDC stands for Everyday Carry. So this is just a little bag that I got from Amazon. So I just have quite a few essentials in here, and I liked it because it has pockets. Let me open it up. And it's nylon, so it's washable. And then inside, I I have all these little pockets just for some necessities. So I'm going to share with you what I have in here. So I have a lighter, because you never know when you're going to need a lighter. I have an emergency barrette in case my hair is in my face or I just want to push it back. I can, so I carry one. I should probably carry two, but I have this cute little barrette. I have some 1,000 Wishes hand sanitizer. It's from Bed Bath & Beyond, and this scent is beautiful. So when you put it on, it doesn't have that alcohol smell. It does smell like 1,000 Wishes. So I keep that in there. And then, and that's that one side. Then in the middle, just loose. And I bought these little bags from Amazon as well, but these are Excedrin migraine. I am prone to migraines and headaches, so I always carry some with me, but I didn't want to keep it in a case. I wanted something that was smaller. So I bought these little Ziploc bags and I put those in there. And then I have, oh, this is like a glasses holder. So if I want to be taking my glasses on and off, I can just wrap this around my glasses and hang them from my neck. So I always have that with me. I have some hair ties. Again, these little bags are just so wonderful because they hold all your little things. So I have some of those. And I also have some bobby pins because again, my hair is kind of wild and sometimes it needs to be tamed down. So I have that. Then I have these 3 little pockets. So I have a little flashlight keychain, but I have a little flashlight just because you never know when you might need a flashlight. I have some of my favorite nail glue in case one pops off. Now I do get my nails done now. I don't use the press-on ones anymore, but still if one should pop off or it cracks or whatever, at least I can kind of fix it on the mend, you know, until I can get back there. And last but not least, I have a tie pen because, you know, you have to be prepared for spills and stains. So that's it. So that is everything. I mean, I put my keys in there too, but that is everything that's in this purse. Oh, this purse also has this little pouch, and that's where I'm going to store all these tremendous amounts of pens and my cards. So that will be in this little pouch, which comes attached to it, just like in the Neverfull has your little pouch. That has a little pouch too. So let me just put everything back. So again, with this case, I mean, you can do so many things with it. You can put in so many things. So whatever you think you would need on the go or as an emergency, you can always put in here. You could put you could make 2 of them and have one with like accessories in it, one with like medication in it, one with, you know, like first aid, like Band-Aids and things like that. Usually I have a couple Band-Aids in here and I don't have any at the moment, but I will be redoing my EDC case pretty soon and I will share that with you. I have another one that's a little bit bigger and I'm going to be putting that one in my bag also. So just for some necessities, you never know, you could be out somewhere, somebody would need something, you'll need something, and you can kind of reach in your purse and you know it's there. And I like to be prepared just in case, because you never know. So anyway, that is everything that is in my bag. And as you can see with this bag, I still have so much more room, which is good for me because again, there's going to be receipts in there. All kinds of things are going to be going in there. So anyway, this, like I said, is the bag that I'm going to be now using. But this is the bag I was using. And I went from this one to this one. And this one for me is more of a, if we're going out to dinner or if we're going somewhere and I don't want to have a big bag with me, I'll just use this one. So it's nice to have, you know, both of these. And again, kind of giving them test drives before I pull the plug on my Louis Vuitton purchase, which, you know, it's a big purchase. It's a lot of money. And I want to make sure that the bag I'm getting is exactly the one that I need. Because if I had pulled the plug on this one and now I'm not even going to use it that often, I would have been really upset. So knowing that I have done this and I've tried them out, I know which one I want, and I'm going to get the MM or the GM. So there we go. So that's everything in my bag. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If there's anything else you want to see, like more skincare products, hair care products, if you want me to like do how I do my makeup or anything, just let me know in the comments and I'm happy to do that. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and get your purses organized, ladies. Just get them organized. You feel better. You start the day on a great note. So I hope you have a great day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.
Forever, I'm loving this moment.